students, from the last video we have learned how to draw the graph of question number 1. Now question number 2, exercise 4.3, question number 2. Give the equations of two lines passing through 214 and how many more such lines are there and why. So given point is 2 and 14, first value for x and second value for y. So this is 2, 14. So this is the value for x and this is the value for y. So here we are finding the value for y is double than the value of x. So if we suppose this is x and this is y, then here sum of these two, that is x plus y, going to be 14 plus 2, 16, and if we subtract, that is going to be minus 12. Then two lines are, so first one can be x plus y equal to 16, x plus y, that is equal to 14 plus 2, 16, and other one can be written x minus y, that can be written, that is 2 minus 14, 2 minus 14 is minus 12, this is minus 12. So both are the equations which are passing through 2 and 14. Now how many more such lines are there? So there are so many lines, like this example we can put there, and why? Now through one point many lines, infinite number, many lines can be passing through. So there are infinitely many lines passing through many lines, because here write down the region, because through a point many lines can be drawn. Through a point many lines can be drawn. For example, this is the point, infinite number of lines can be drawn here in this area. Through one point infinitely many lines can be drawn. So it is the region. Question number 3, read the question properly. Read question number 3. If the point 3, 4 lies on the graph of the equation 3y equal to x plus 7, find the value of a. If 0.34 lies in the equation 3y equal to ax plus 7, then we need to find out the value of a. So since this line passing through 3 and 4, then this is the value for x, first value for x and second value for y. So this point will satisfy the line, so we will place the value for x and y. So 3 into value of y is here 4, and a into x value is 3 plus 7. Therefore 3 4 yeah 12 equal to a into 3. 3a plus 7. 7 is transferred to the left, then 12 minus 7 equal to 3a. 12 minus 7 is 5 equal to 3a. Therefore the value for a 5/3. So this is the required value of a. Read question number 4. Read properly. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, fare is 8 rupees, and for the subsequent distance, for thereafter each kilometer is 5 rupees. Taking the distance covered as x kilometer and total distance, total fare is y rupees. Write a linear equation and draw its graph. So first we have to draw or write the linear equation. So here we need to take the total fare. Let total fare be, let the total fare be y rupees and the distance covered be x kilometer. Then here what is told? Now for the first kilometer 8 rupees it is fixed, and thereafter each kilometer 5 rupees. Then what will be the total fare? Now suppose for 1 kilometer 5 rupees, then for 5 kilometer how many rupees? Now 5 5 is 25 rupees total fare. So if the fare for 1 kilometer is 10 rupees, then the fare for 2 kilometer will be 2 10 20 rupees. Like this, if total fare y and per kilometer 5 rupees, then for x kilometer 5x, 5 into x multiplication. Therefore, according to the question, what will we get? Now total fare will be for each kilometer 5 and distance is x kilometer. Then 5 into x, 5x, and for the first kilometer 8 rupees. Then extra how many rupees taken? No, per kilometer 5 rupees, but for the first kilometer 8 rupees, then there 3 rupees extra. Now for this equation, linear equation, we need to draw the graph. Then if x is equal to 0, what will be the value for y? Now 5 into 0 plus 3, this is 0 plus 3, which is 3. This is x, this is y. So when the value for x is 0, the value for y is 3. If x is equal to 1, then what will be the value of y? Now y is equal to, here it is 5 and 4x 1 plus 3. Then 5 1 5 plus 3, which is 8. So when x is 1, y value is 8. Now we need to draw coordinate axis. This is x, x dashed, and this is y, y dashed. This is origin 0, this side positive values of x, then 1, 2, 3. You all are having graph paper, use graph paper, use one big square as 1 unit, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this way going, and left side of x-axis, that is negative, this side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, in this way it will go on, and upside of y is positive value. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in this way it is going. So this is 8, this value is 8, 9, in this way going on. Downside of y-axis, that is my negative, that is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, in this way it is going on. Our values are positive, so negative side is not required. So value for x is here 0 and y3 positive 1, 2, 3. This is the point, and x is equal to 1. x1 is here and y 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the point which is x1 and y8, and this is x0 and y3. So these 2 points join and extend. with the help of your scale, name that line as AB. Now short explanation to be written. Plotting the points and joining, we get the required graph. So you can write here on the graph paper, plotting the points and joining, we get the required graph. Plotting the points and joining them by joining them, we get the required graph. That's all. So here, right side top corner, there you write scale. Scale, we are taking both axes, 10 division equal to 1 unit in this way. So it is completed question number 4. Let's move to question number 5. Their graph is given. Seeing the graph, we have to say which one will be the equation for the given graph. You all see the graph, and seeing the graph, we have to say which is the equation for the given graph. We have to identify the correct equation. So for question number 5, first figure 4.7, there we are finding 2 points on the graph line. So one is -1 and 1. First one is -1 and 1, and second point that we are finding, see, 1 and -1. 1 and -1, that we all can see from the graph, figure number 4.7. So these 2 points lying on the equation of the graph. So which one will be the equation? Let us take question number 1, that is y equal to x. So we are placing the values. So this is the first value for x and second value for y. Then first value 1, right side x, that is -1. So these two not equal. So it is not the equation of the graph. So let's go to the second one. X plus y is equal to 0. So we'll place the given values. That is first value x is -1 plus value for y is 1 equal to 0. So +1 -1 0, 0 is equal to 0. Both sides same value we are getting. Now we will place the value for the second one. Then x plus y is equal to 0. Then second value is, this is for x and this is for y. Then this is x is 1 plus -1 is equal to 0. Therefore 1 plus into -1 is equal to 0. Plus 1 -1 cancel, getting 0 is equal to 0. So both sides equal. So both the values, both the points satisfying this equation, so it is the required equation of the graph. Therefore the required equation of the graph, is x plus y is equal to 0. This is. Let's see figure number 4.8. There are 3 points lying on the graph. Then 3 points to be satisfied here. So read these 3 points which are lying on the equation of the graph. The first one is 2, 0, 2, 0, and then 0, 2, 0, 2, and the third one is minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 3. So let us check one by one all the equations. All the given equations we have to check which equation will satisfy all these points. That is going to be the required equation of the graph. So first one is given y is equal to x plus 2. Let us check. All these 3 points should satisfy the equation. Then this is the first value for x and second value for y. So here y is 0 equal to x value 2 plus 2. So this is 0 equal to 4. So it does not follow this point. So since both sides not equal, so this is not the required equation of the graph. So let's go to the next equation. Next equation is given here, y equal to x minus 2. If it is the equation of the graph, so it will must follow these points all should satisfy the equation. And the value of y is 0, x value is 2 minus 2. So this is 0 equal to 0. So this one satisfying. Then we will go to the next point. Y is equal to x minus 2. First point is satisfied, of course. Then all these 3 points should satisfy the equation. Both side value should be same. Then second one, this is the value for x, this is the value for y. Then y value is 2, x value is 0 minus 2. So from here we are finding one side plus 2, other side minus 2. So it is not equal. So this is also not equation of the graph. So let's check the equation 3. So here it is not equal. All these 3 points should satisfy the equation. Means both sides the value should be same. Let's see question number 3. Y is equal to minus x plus 2. Now we have to start checking from first point. The first point is 2, 0. That is the value for y is 0. The value of x is 2. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. This is 0 equal to 0. So it is satisfied. Means both side value is same. Then let's go for checking the second point. Then y is equal to minus x plus 2. So first value is x is 0, y is equal to 2. Then minus for x, 0 to put, plus 2. Then 2 equal to plus 2 minus 0 is 2. So both sides equal, of course. Let's go to the third point for checking. Place the values. So first value for x and second value for y. Then first value minus 1 here and y value is 3. 3 is equal to minus. Value for x is minus 1. So within bracket to write and plus 2. So here 3 is equal to plus minus minus plus 2. Therefore 3 is equal to 3. Here we are finding this equation y equal to minus x plus 2 satisfying all these 3 points. So it is the required equation of the graph. Therefore the required equation of the graph is which one? Now y is equal to minus x plus 2. So thank you children for watching and learning. So we'll meet you in the next video. You all take care of you.